Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to paint these rain boots with flowers. It is one of our Paint by Line products, and the first step I'm going to do is paint the boots Dixie Belle Blue. I'm painting over the polka dots, and that's okay because I'm going to come and paint back over them in a minute. And I'm painting the flowers now. The first flower I'm painting Flamingo, the second one Peony. This purple color is called Lucky Lavender. This next flower is called Soft Pink, and the inside of the flower I'm doing with the peony. And the leaves I'm doing Tree Frog Green. All of the paint that I'm painting with today is Dixie Belle paint. The center of the flowers I am doing chocolate. Now I'm going to come back and do the polka dots. I'm filling them in with the color Peacock. Dixie Belle paint can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com in our paint section. Now we are going to begin to fill in the outlines. That's where I take a detail brush and just start to fill in all of the lines that are etched into the product. Then we'll take a painter's pen and go around the entire outside edges of it, and this completes the lines that are on the inside. Next, we're going to go beyond the lines. This is where I like to add accents and details that are not etched into the product for me. So I'm taking a 00 detail brush and some white paint, and I'm going to add some detail to the flowering and the leaves. And I'm kind of just following the lines that are already there and hitting a few different places to give it some highlight. This Paint by Line product can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com in our shape section in a category called Paint by Line. As you can see, the white really starts helping everything to pop. Outlining it with the black really starts to give everything some separation where it stands out. The white color that I'm using is called Cotton. It is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And after I get done with all these little white highlights in the places that I feel like they need them, I'm going to take the bottom of the detailed paintbrush and I'm going to dip it in the white paint and give these little polka dots some glistening dots. And now I'm going to highlight around the boots. After that, guys, we are done. And again, you can purchase these rain boots on buildacross.com as well as the paint. The paint colors I used today are Peacock, Dixie Belle Blue, Lucky Lavender, Peony, Soft Pink, Apricot, and Tree Frog Green. And I did my accents with Cotton and Caviar. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.